Hi guys, DIY with Elle here, and I've partnered with Coal Timbers for this DIY video. I want to show you how to use these pine timber lengths and create your own outdoor furniture. I'm using the exact same size timber for all the parts of the outdoor furniture to make it an easy build, so let's get started. The size timber that I'm using is 22mm thick by 94mm wide, and they're 3 meters in length. Now, I'm custom making this furniture to fit these existing outdoor cushions that I have, so I'm taking down the measurements and dimensions and planning out my project. You can also build the furniture around existing cushions, or build the furniture to fit your space and what you like, and then buy the cushions or make the cushions to fit. These are the tools that I'll be using, as well as a pocket hole jig. I just feel pocket holes are the easiest way to join these pieces of wood together, and I'll be making use of my compound miter saw to cut the lengths of wood to size. But remember, you can always get your home improvement store to cut the wood lengths for you. So there I am, just cutting everything to size, and I'm starting off with the sides of my furniture, which is the armrests. It's a basic design, and what I've done is I've marked out where I need to put the pocket holes, because pocket holes join into different pieces of wood and you don't need pocket holes in every piece of wood. So I'm just adding 2 pocket holes, making sure it's all facing the same side, and this is what the armrest is going to look like. Now we can secure it together using pocket hole screws and my trusted drill. I'm also making use of a pocket hole clamp that really clamps in one side of the pocket hole as you drive in one screw, and then you can release the clamp to drive in the second pocket hole screw. I'm also making use of a speed square just to make sure everything is at 90 degrees and straight. And then securing the pieces of wood together. I just love that I can position the pocket holes so they're not seen. These are what the armrests look like. It's a simple design, but it's really nice on the eye. Now I have my armrests, I can determine the lengths that I need to create the seating part to fit the cushions. Now I've cut 3 pieces of lengths for my 2-seater, 2 for where I want the seating structure to go, and 1 for the backrest. I'm turning everything on its side because it's just easier to clamp and work with. So basically, going along with the same process, using the clamp, making sure everything is straight, and securing with screws. Now, you may have noticed I've not used wood glue at these joins, because with pocket holes you can either use wood glue or not. This outdoor furniture still has to be transported to its final destination, so then I will reapply wood glue to the main joins to make it extra secure. And there we go, the backrest and the back part of the pine board for the seating is now in place. It's looking like a seating structure, and I've turned it on its side and added the front piece. It's looking good. Now I actually just have to add the crossbars so there's actually somewhere to sit. And as you can see, I've cut some more pieces of wood to length, and I've added pocket holes on either side on the same facing side, making sure that they are all evenly spaced, driving in the wood screws, completing this sturdy structure. I'm happy with how it turned out, and look at that, the existing pillows fit perfectly. It's a comfortable, beautiful outdoor piece of furniture. Remember to use a suitable exterior sealant for protection from the outdoor elements. I hope you feel inspired to create your very own DIY outdoor furniture. Keep smiling and DIYing.